Back to work on the F12. I'm gonna drop the needle clip all the way to the highest points. The needle is the farthest down in the carburetor because right now it has like one more notch to do, because last time, if you saw, it just kept getting loaded when I come up to a stop. So I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try tuning the carb a little bit more. I'm gonna try to lean it out a little bit on the carb, and then well, we're gonna go ride it again. So I gotta take the seat off right now. I want this thing to be dialed. I was hoping to take this to ferry, but it's looking a little less likely now. As you can see, it was one down from the top, so I'm just gonna put the top one on the needle, put it back in, we'll see. Screwdriver with us. Let's see if we can get a little better today. I just want to see if it still loads up. We changed the needle setting, so we might get a little bit more out of tuning today. Not gonna lie, it sounds a little better. Max RPM. Max RPM we hit is 11,280. Yep. That was a bad load up right there. So I'm gonna try leaning it out a little bit more on the carb. Let's see what happens. Take our fancy screwdriver with us. I think if I put a stiffer contra spring in this thing too, it'd make all the difference, because right now there's no stall in it. So it's like go time right when you crack the throttle. It's already trying to roll. So if it had a little time to rev up before it took off, I think it would really make all the difference on this bike. I was able to go down one jet size, and then I messed a bunch with the AF screw, which I still want to mess with, but I think we got this thing to the point right now it's the best it's ever been. So watch the takeoff on this on a rolling 15 mile per hour. So the inner is the mile per hour, the outer is the kilometers. So we'll do rolling at 15. Watch me punch it. The whole scooter like lifts up the front right now. A lot of wind too going against us, but that's 60, and I feel like it has more to give. I don't know what that RPM hit. This thing just looks so good. I feel like if I put a good shock in the back and a little stiffer of a contra spring, this bike would be actually perfect now. I'm so stoked because I was having so much issues with the tuning on this bike before. Way better though. just got a good pickup now. $60, $65. $250 on the temps. What did we rev to? 11,150. So I mean, we're kind of there. Leg need to pop. It's hard to do one-handers on this thing because the balance point's like where I can't see in front of me because the front end's so high up. And it's kind of scary to take my hand off when I can't see what's in front. Oh, dude, I just splattered water all over me. That was the dumbest thing I could have done. All over my shirt. Yep, we got little black splatters all over. It was all over my neck too, all over the shirt. Oh well. Malaguti feels great. Stoked right now. Super stoked on that. And then moved my gauges up so I can actually read them because I could not read the gauges while I was riding. So now we got a full set of gauges all the way across. And yeah. Do you boys really think I should do a naked bar setup on this Phantom, or should I leave it to match how it is right now? So I really like the Phantoms when they're full built up and just like how people do them overseas and full stunt bikes, but this thing just looks so good with this stock body kit. Get it cracking, boys. Almost a full tank now. Good.
That's what I want right there.
Perfect. I don't know how you. It does like 70.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not sure on the horsepower though. I think I don't even know what it converts to. Man, this is not good, bro. He's taking forever. He's like trying to. This is the same guy that gave me an issue last time. He's trying to find an issue. Oh. All right.
Where'd you get this? 1.9. This one says 1.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at too.
I don't understand that. Plus, it says a 2001. Well, it's a 2000 period. There's no 2001. If I send it over in the 2001, and they catch it, that the VIN number's different.
VIN says it's a 2000, and then the actual stamp date says 01. So he was having an issue basically with the counter ears. He says they do the same thing with RVs. They'll put a newer body on an older chassis, so. I got the old chassis with the newer body, or so. I don't care, bro. As long as this thing's freaking registered, you know what I'm saying? Pop it up. Wow. Wow. Hey, you gotta hit that coaster. A helicopter. They have a helicopter. Wow. Malaguti is officially legal. It took a minute. It was very complicated, as it has been for this bike when I registered it. And the crazy part is it has the title. I've registered bikes without a title before in a bill of sale only. Anyways, Malaguti's good now. Wheelies, it feels good. I'm gonna try one more thing and downsize the Pilot Jet again, just to get a little bit of that fog away at like a long idle. So that's gonna do it for this one though. We got RJ stunting on the 2-stroke. We did a bunch of wheelies on the F12, and I'll see you in the next one.